Hello everybody, my name is Therdphong Dangsi. I'm presenting the study on behalf of our research team, including Mr. Surachai Chat Chhalampan, Professor Dr. Prasong Pranit Phongrang, and Associate Professor Dr. Phongpisit Wuthi Ditachot. For this presentation, it is a study of 4G network performance in Thailand referring to download speed. Firstly, I would like to introduce about the reason why we have to study. At present, the world is now being dominated by 4G technology. 95% of the lands worldwide have been covered by 4G signals, but the performance of 4G in each country would be different. Particularly, in terms of download speed, South Korea has been reported by OpenSignal, the mobile analytics company, to be in the first place with an average speed of about 52 megabits per second. According to the same report, Thailand has been ranked in the 77th place with an average speed of only 5.7 megabits per second, which is extremely low. Therefore, this study has been conducted to investigate about this issue. You can see from this figure, this is South Korea, the first place, and this is Thailand, the 77th place. Okay, next section. It presents the background information. The first background information is 4G mobile communications. 4G is the International Mobile Telecommunications Advanced Standard proposed by ITU. It also covers LTE and WiMAX. In Thailand, 4G was commercially launched around 2015. 4G technology supports mobility and all IP based, including multimedia applications and services. 4G has several interesting key features. For example, enhanced peak data rate with speed of 100 megabits per second for high mobility and 1 gigabit per second for low mobility. For the next background is about the factors affecting the speed of internet connection. There are several factors that affect the speed of mobile internet connection. It usually depends on the network technologies available in the area and the features of the user terminal device, such as CPU of the device. Besides, the number of users who share the connection may also affect the speed because of sharing between all the users in the area using the same network. If there are many users, the connection speed would slow down. Furthermore, in case the user changes locations, the speed may change. Okay, next subsection. OpenSignal report. In May 2019, OpenSignal, the mobile analytics company, issued the report called The State of Mobile Network Experience. That report shows the global average download speed of about 18 megabit per second. In the same report, it showed that Thailand is the 77th place with an average download speed of about 6 megabit per second, which implies that the data have been gathered from about 6 million devices and about 900 million measurements. Last but not least, MIQ. MIQ is the mobile internet quality measurement tool. This application has been designed and developed using the API provided by Ookla, the popular speed test application. MIQ application has been distributed to Thai users who use mobile device and are interested in mobile internet quality evaluation. Until now, it has been downloaded and installed into more than 50,000 devices. The main feature of MIQ is presenting the objective mean opinion score for mobile internet quality, while other basic features such as download speed are included. This slide shows the MIQ system overview. This slide shows the user interface design. For methodology, in this study, only the speed test issue has been focused. In order to investigate the download speed tested by OpenSignal as shown in its report and the MIQ data between January to March last year that were retrieved from the MIQ main server. These data were gathered from the whole country, although majority of them were from Bangkok metropolitan region, as shown in the figure here. For the result, you can see from the figure, the download speed measured by MIQ is 10.7 megabit per second, which is higher than 5.7 megabit per second reported by OpenSignal significantly. So, there are a few issues to be discussed as follows. For the first issue, OpenSignal mentioned about gathering the data from almost 6 million devices and almost 900 million measurements. But we might question the veracity of OpenSignal assertion that its application was downloaded into about 6 million devices in Thailand, because this number seems disproportionately large. Next, the MIQ data was gathered from about 4,000 devices and 9,000 measurements only, but it might be acceptable because the data were gathered from the whole country, as shown in some previous figure. For the last issue, if the MIQ result is to be considered more reliable, Thailand should be ranked at the 62nd place with an average speed of about 11 megabits per second. However, the mobile network operator in Thailand should consider and try to improve the quality of 4G networks in Thailand. In conclusion, after finishing the study with the local measurement tool called the MIQ, it has been found that the average download speed of the 4G mobile internet in Thailand is inconsistent with the speed measured by OpenSignal because it is higher than OpenSignal results significantly. Therefore, the difference between OpenSignal and MIQ should be investigated more in future work. Furthermore, this open issue should be also considered and investigated for other countries. Thank you, the Research Funding Agency, the Broadcasting and Telecommunications Research and Development Fund for the public interest for supporting the MIQ project. This slide shows the reference. Okay, I have finished my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention.